Good morning, students. Today I am taking third problem, and in this problem it is different from the other problem because in this one frequency is missing, and instead of that the mean is given. That is, the mean pocket allowances is rupees 18. That is, x bar is given now, and we have to find the missing frequency f, or it can be x or any variable it can be. Now, starting with the method, the first is this is the class interval and this is the frequency. In that, one frequency is missing. So now we will calculate the mid value. So the mid value of the first interval will be 11 plus 13, that is 24. So it will be 12. This will be 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Now here I want to add one thing. You know what is the class interval? 2. And what is the difference between these two? It is also 2. So that pattern you will find in all the sums. It is 11 to 13, the class interval is 2, and here also you will find the differences 2. Now the next part is we will multiply these two. So it is 84. This will be again 84. This will be 144. 13 into, it is 13 into 18 will be 234. This will be 20f. This will be 110, and this is 96. Now we will find two total. One is sigma f. Sigma f means the sum of this. That will be f plus 44. And the second total is sigma fx. That will be 20f will remain separate because this number is a variable. So we will not add this 20 in these numbers. So it is 20f plus the total of the remaining, and it will be 752. So the total is 752. Now you know that x bar is sigma fx upon f. Once more I am explaining you. The first column, the new column, is mid value. The second new column is f into x, that is fx. This total is of the frequency. It is f. It is 13, 9, 13, 5, 9. This total is 44. Here this total is 752. You can add it. It is not very complicated part. But the important part is this 20f will remain separate and this f will remain separate. Now the next part is 18 equals to 20f plus 752 divided by f plus 44. Now if you cross multiply, it is 18f plus 792, and it is 20f plus 752. I have cross multiplied. This 18 when multiplied with f, it is 18f, and 18 into 44, it is 792. Now we want to calculate the value of f. So 18f minus 20f and 752 minus 792. So it is minus 2f and minus 40. So f equals to 20. So the answer is f equals to 20. So here what is the missing frequency? It is 20. Now if you want to check your answer, you can put here f equals to 20, and then if you find the mean, the answer will be 18. But that will be very lengthy method. I am not suggesting here to check your answer, but the answer is 20 here. So the missing frequency f is equal to 20.